G'day. Well, I thought it was time to finish off the install of the compost toilet. It's in, works and everything, but just to, as I said when I did the install, the back here, just to put some, finish it off, put some tile stuff on it. This is what I've got. Just these sheets. They come in 5. See that, it's a bit glary. 5 adhesive tiles, Enco. Just get them. You just get them from Bunnings, and there's 5 in each packet. I got 2 packets, so obviously 10 sheets. And what I do is just lay them out and marked to get a proper square. Just lay them out, mark them as you go, and then we'll just cut them off with a Stanley knife. Just the first one to start off with, I'm going to start off at this corner, and then do that. But first, pull the toilet out, clean it with some metho so it sticks properly, and we'll go from there. And there we go, all done. Just to finish it off a little bit.